course, we carry a full line of souvenirs as well for guys like yourself.
That's
come
right.
over
I'm
to
coming in.
to
That's
London.
right. I got to pick out something.
You've got to pick up a shirt. We've all done that.
Have to do that. Have to do that. Yes.
And we got things like the headland crash helmets. We've got Harley crash helmets, belt, loads of boots and stuff like that.
And your team showed me the unique, cut that actually is like a airbag.
Oh yes,
That looks unique. Yeah, yeah.
Very clever.
Yes, yes.
Still a leather vest,
The-
but it's got the airbag.
You got the airbag. Why not? Exactly. That is awesome. That is awesome.
We all rate ourselves as the best riders, but things can happen, and sometimes
Absolutely.
it's good to have the best safety equipment.
Yes.
This is me. This is in another form of life.
Oh, okay.
I used to race bikes. That's a Harley XR 1000. This is in the early 80s.
Wow. All right, you were that guy, John.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right. 85. That was a good year for me. That was a good year.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just college and stuff. Yeah.
So we'll go through to our service department. Now.
Okay. Awesome.
You guys call it the shop.
That's the wife, Valerie.
Hello there, nice to meet you. And here we sort of have all sorts of stuff going on.
Okay.
Mix of new bikes, bikes being customised.
Yes.
Things like FTR, which don't too many of.
Yeah.
Bike and H going on there. Over here's my current ride. I'm just about to pick up.
Oh, okay. The anniversary edition.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Very
So
nice.
we're off to Budapest.
Ooh.
For the 120th anniversary in about a week or so's time. We're taking 100 customers down to Budapest to celebrate.
Okay.
And I'll be using this bike.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. It's fresh out of the crate, just been prepped for me by the boys. A few extras on it, things like the splash shield, that hopefully I don't need. Heated grills. From here to Budapest.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's about 1,700 miles.
Gotcha,
1,700 kilometres.
Okay.
About 1,100 miles.
Yep. Yep.
So I'm looking forward to that. We got all sorts
That's a beautiful bike. Everyone loves the color.
Yeah.
I've done so many reviews. You'll see it on my website
right.
on the bike. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. I also went down to Daytona where they had all the demos of the bikes. So I did everything with the trike and everything else. Went through there, and
Okay.
all those bikes.
Yeah,
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 it was an awesome day. Awesome day. Yeah.
Yeah, there's lots of fun planned. And we've got a lot of people who've come in this bike. I know that there's one of our road captains who owns it, and he's just having it pre-prepped.
Makes sense. Check the air oil and stuff like that. Yeah.
Here we got guys coming in, they're bringing machines in, leaving service, that sort of stuff.
Nice.
What I can do is I can take you upstairs.
Okay.
So we're in London Borough, central to Chelsea Football Ground.
Okay.
We got if anybody's interested in soccer, I'll show you the Chelsea Football Ground from upstairs. We'll go up
Awesome.
and in our lift up onto the roofs.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you can fit a couple of bikes in here for sure.
Yeah. Well, funny enough, when we built the building, we built it around the lift.
Okay.
So
That's right. That's right.
Suppose we could get a big bagger in here. Because obviously, although we're in town and we've got a good sized dealership, we don't have a huge, great footprint in some of the US.
Yeah. It's just like Texas where you have nothing but land out there. Yeah.
So we had to make the most of our site. So we're on multi-levels. So the lift
Makes
is
sense.
forever being used to ship machines around.
Square foot is at a premium in this area. And one thing, this is our first trip to London, where we are, just you never see the buildings, these new buildings that they have that have come up. I think the perspective of a lot of people in the States, because they are the people in the States, they need to really understand what London is all about in terms of the growth with the new buildings and things like that they have as well.
But this is a good way of demonstrating it here. You can see, so this is a typical London townscape, really.
Okay.
And over there, if you can just about see the blue spars on that building.
Yes.
So that's Chelsea Football Ground.
Oh, okay. Hollow ground over there.
Hello ground, yeah. So, and then we have the Empress building here.
Okay.
And if we go down the King's Road this way,
Yep.
we'll end up in Wimbledon in probably about 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then directly behind here is obviously the River Thames.
Okay.
So it's a good central location. We get a lot of people come to visit us, and they may stay around this area as well because there's quite a lot of Airbnb and stuff.
Okay.
And
Okay.
decent hotels too.
That's just awesome.
And up there, you can see the current building going on again. Going back to your reference to constant building. Constant building.
Yeah.
But they can't build any higher on this side, which is good for us because this is a conservation area.
Oh, very good. Historic district where they can't change the faces
Well,
up
the
too
King's
much.
Road, which is King's Road.
Oh, okay.
It's called the King's Road because it was his road. At a certain point in history, you had to have a special token or be, you know, friends with some of the upper circles of society.
Okay.
You could use it.
Wow. Perfect place for a Harley dealership.
Yeah. Fortunately for us, they let everybody use it after a certain time. Yeah.
Okay. This is awesome. Well, thank you for sharing this. This is nice. This is nice.
It's a nice day to do it as well.
Yeah, it is. Our first day ever in London was yesterday, which we were like, what bad weather? What are they talking about?
Yeah, you lucked out.
Yeah.
Well, I think this week's supposed to be good as well. So this is a stores area, one of the stores areas.
Okay.
And this is where we sort of process a lot of the clothing and t-shirts and boots and stuff like
understood.
that.
Okay.
And we also have a lot of spare parts because we've been going nearly 100 years now.
Yeah, I can imagine.
We've got spare parts that go back across all the years. So we can get people phoning us or emailing us from wherever around the world. You know,
That's right. That's right.
A lot of Americans getting rare parts that they can't get anymore in the States that we just happen to have. So our parts guys, they work. I'll keep the noise down because they're on the phones.
Yeah.
But we have some older engines here just for display. If anybody in the know, this is a turn of the century V-twin, probably about 1913, something 1915 probably.
1915. Okay.
45 motor. This is it looks very rusty and dirty, but this is actually very historic spare part. This is the first 3-speed Harley-Davidson gearbox.
Wow, look at this, guys.
As was found in our archive, I think. Wow. And that's 1915.
Okay.
With a clutch on it. Padded motor. Yes. Various race motors we have. Awesome. And that's just a selection. We've got all sorts of stuff. Cafe racer parts. So if anybody's looking for something that's they might not be lucked out enough to find elsewhere, drop us an email, parts@wars.com.
I will probably get a lot of
Get those adjusted and then pull those
questions and comments asking me, hey, pick this up for me while you're there.
And then we use these machines.
You good?
These Rotomat machines store a lot of spare parts, as you can see, and it's all computer linked. So the guys will get an order, they'll look for something, they know where it is if it's at this site. They'll go through and pick it out, and sometimes without me causing too much of a fuss and screwing things up for our parts. You can see earlier bits and pieces like this. So,
yeah, they're on the Harley website, yeah.
The 1958 parts package. And it's pretty pristine. I don't know what's in here, but the box is probably worth having a look. Well, I'm not sure what the hell that is. So maybe one of your
one of our viewers
might know.
They'll know. They're going to jump all over.
Looks like some sort of event of some description, but who knows?
Okay.
Anyway, it looks like we've got 6 of them.
Okay. Free T-shirts to the first viewer who gets that right.
That's the part number. That'll give you the answer straight away.
All right.
We'll put that back in there. But anyway, the point is, all these little bits and pieces, a lot of people left by the wayside, we have a lot of it.
Okay.
So it's always worth dropping some.
Yes. This is awesome. This is very awesome.
So clothing, we do a lot of stuff online. We've got a whole store. If you go to wars.com, it's all on there. You can go into the online store. There's all the souvenir shirts,
nice,
all that sort of stuff. We do our own range of Wars branded product too.
Yes, I saw some upstairs.
King's
awesome.
Road.
Yeah,
cool stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's go back down the stairs this way. Get a bit of exercise and leave the lift on. So you can see what I mean about this multi-level.
Yes, yes.
So it keeps us all quite fit. We've got various
yeah. Oh, this is definitely nice. I like this.
And that drops us back down into the showroom area.
Okay.
This is Rob Townsend, who was on film earlier. He runs the service department.
Hey, how are you, sir? Okay.
And looks after all our customers. And this is a good example of some custom work we do as well. This is also with a really tripped up motor. You can see carbon fibre swing arm. Special pipes, full controls, TFT screen in the tank.
Oh, look at that. Wow, okay. That's unique.
Yeah, it's very, very unique. We do get requests for that sort of stuff quite a lot from people.
Okay.
So as long as it's going to be safe and it's good and it works and it's reliable, we can do it.
Okay. Well, this is awesome.
And that kind of rounds it out. One thing I will show you, this is 1977 Cafe Racer. Again, completely original.
Okay.
So at the time, people didn't like the AMF sticker because they saw AMF as a bit of a, Big Brother corporate type coming in to take them over. But to be fair, they probably saved Harley's bacon in the 70s.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's when times are tough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, this has been a great tour. That's nice.
Yeah.
Classic.
Yeah, there's so many great images Harley got throughout the years that are just from that really sort of add to that whole, depth of feeling that you get when you're talking about a brand and you've got it. We've all got it. Someone's got that hog fever, as they used to call it.
Yes, yes.
It's true, and we get excited about coming here every day. Whenever we come here.
Yeah.
Some of the bikes we've got here, and we sell all sorts of different Harleys, and we get some really nice examples coming into us because people have decided they want to sell it through us, or perhaps they bought it in the first place from us. This is 1994. Mood Gliders, they were called.
Okay.
Soft tail deluxe. Nice and original. 8,000 miles on it. Evo motor. What a peach of an engine. And we do hold with the live wire.
Yes.
Very successful with the live wire brand, especially because we're in town.
Yes.
I'm very partial to that electric bike. It's great fun, and it's as far as motorcycles go, I think it's pretty much up there.
That's cool.
Yeah, no, they did a good job of that.
That is an awesome bike.
And of course the classic air-cooled Sportster.
Yes.
And although we've got the new Nightster version of the Sportster, which is a great bike, the air-cooled version, there's still a big demand for that bike.
Yes.
The simplicity of it all.
Well, this has been an awesome tour.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Again, guys, I mean, this has been almost a half hour. This is going to be one of those, I'll clean it up, but we're not going to miss anything. Yeah. We're not going to miss anything. This has been a great tour.
You're very welcome for coming down.
Okay.
On the King's Road. We've been here nearly 100 years.
Okay.
Hopefully we'll have a few more left in us after that as well.
Yes, exactly. At least the next one, we get John Jr. and How many Johns have there been?
There's only been me, actually.
Okay. You're the first? All right. Okay.
It was Frederick Warr, and his father was Frederick Warr as well, so I'm third generation.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll have to think about reintroducing it. In fact, my oldest son, his middle name is Frederick, so we've kept it going.
My father's middle name is Frederick. Wow, that's weird. That's nice.
There you go.
Good name. Good name.
Welcome to London.
Okay.
Welcome to Wars.
Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Pleasure to meet you.
Okay, thank you for taking the time, for showing us and giving us some great insights on some things to think about with international bikes. A lot of us didn't know that.
Yeah.
Really didn't think about it. That's awesome. Appreciate you, sir. Take care. All right.
Take care.
All right. Hey guys, that was an awesome tour. He took us from the top to the bottom. A lot of things that we learned about in terms of the international bikes. Some things we didn't know about this area here. Again, my biggest sort of misunderstanding was that this was just the largest dealership in London when it's the largest dealership in all of Europe. So, and they've just recently expanded too, so you saw the tour. So, hey, like and subscribe, tell me what you think about this. If you have any comments and things like that, I'm gonna try to just get this video out there. So, hey, like, share, and subscribe, and take care.